Hello students, welcome again in the continuation of e-learning classes. Today, in the continuation of detailed medicinal plants, we will discuss the plant Rohitak. Introduction. Rohitak is a medium-heighted tree and it is also known as desert teak in English and Rug Trora in Hindi. The plant Rohitak is a small shrub or small tree with drooping branches and deciduous or nearly evergreen tree of arid and semi-arid regions. The bark of Rohitak is anti-syphilitic and used in liver diseases, and plant is anti-leucorrheic, used in enlargement of spleen and leukoderma. Nomenclature. The Latin name is Tecomella undulata. It belongs to the family Bignoniaceae. In Hindi, it is called Roheda or Rohira. In English, it is named as Rohida tree or desert tree. Some vernacular names of Rohitak. In Bengali, it is called Rodarayana or Hari Nahara. In Gujarati, Rohido. In Kannada, Mullu Muntala. In Malayalam, Chemmaram. In Marathi, Rohida. In Punjabi, Rohira. In Tamil, Malampulvam. In Telugu, Rohitak. Now the synonyms. Plihagna. This plant is used in spleen disorders. So it is very beneficial for spleen disorders. That's why it is given the name Plihagna. Next is Yakrit Vari. It is very much beneficial for again liver disorder. That's why it is given the name Yakrit Vari. Next is Rohi. It is an efficacious remedy for disorders of liver and spleen. That's why given the name Rohi. Dadi Machhat. According to the morphology, it is given the name. Dadi means pomegranate or the leaves of pomegranate is similar to the Rohitak. That's why it is given the name Dadi Machhat. Chad means leaves. Dadi. The leaves of Rohitak is similar to the leaves of Dadim. Again, the flower of Dadim is also very much similar to the flower of Rohitak. That's why Dadim Pushpak. The flower of Rohitak is similar to the flower of Dadim. That's why Dadim Pushpak. Rakta Pushpak, because the color of the flower is yellowish red. That's why Rakta Pushpak. Then Rochan. Because of it has good taste or it helps in enhancing the taste buds. That's why it is given the name Rochan. Rakta Valk. Valk means bark. So the bark of Rohitak is reddish in color. That's why Rakta Valk. Next is Rohitak. It has a reddish flowers. Because of that, it gives the name Rohitak. Again, the Rohitak. Rohitak because it is a beautiful tree growing in wild region, wild places. That's why Rohitak. Now the classical categorization. In Charak Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, Rohitak is non-mentioned in any Mahakashaya or Gana. And in Bhavaprakash Nighantu, it is included in Vatadi Varga. Distribution. It is a deciduous or nearly evergreen tree of arid and semi-arid regions. And this plant originated in India and Arabia And in India, it is mainly found in western parts of Rajasthan and in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana. And this is in Rajasthan. This is distributed in throughout the district of Barmer, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, etc. Morphology. It is a large shrub or small tree with drooping branches. The leaves of the tree resembles with the dadim or pomegranate, and the color of the flower is orangish, yellowish orange or yellowish red, and it produces the quality timber. This is the picture of whole plant of Rohitak. The drooping branch is very much cleared, and this is medium heighted tree. The bark is greenish when it is in young stage, and it becomes dark brown in mature tree. The leaves are simple, grayish green and narrowly oblong, obtuse, and it entire with undulating margin. The margins are entire and undulating. The wavy structures are very much clear. That is the undulating margin. The flower of Rohitak is yellowish orange or yellowish red in color, and in corymbos few are racemes. Pedicels 6 to 13 mm long. Large and beautiful flowers are present, and this is the state flower of Rajasthan. Calyx of Rohitak is campanulate and 9 to 11 mm, and corolla is orangish yellow color and rounded in shape. The fruits are encapsulated 20 centimeter long in pod nature and slightly curved, linear oblong, acute and smooth. The seeds, the peculiar character of seed is winged seed is present, and with the help of seeds propagation is completed. So propagation is from seeds and cuttings as well. These are some chemical constituents present in Rohitak: alpha-naxin lactone, alhanum mixolite, betulinic acid, lapachol, olinic acid, quercetin, rohitukin, rutin, and stigmasterol. Now the properties or Rasapanchak. The rasa is Katu Tikta Kashai, Guna is Lagu Ruksha Sara, Vipak is Katu, Virya is Shita, and Prabhav is Plihagna. That is important for Rohitak. Rohitak plant is very much famous for as a Plihagna Dravya. Now the karma. Bhedan karma because it is purgative. Next is Plihagna, it cures disease of spleen. Rakta Prasadan, it is a blood purifier drug. Rochan, Relisn, and Crimigna, anthelmintic. Vrana Doshahara, it is helpful in wound healing. On Dosha Karma, it is Kapha Pitta Hara, and on Dhatu Karma, Rakta Prasadana, and on Mal Karma, it is Bhedan. Actually, the bark is an excellent blood purifier and cholagogue, and it is because of pungent and astringent and bitter taste. Now the indications. It is mainly used in Yakrit Rog, the liver diseases, and in as well as in Pliha Rog, the disease of spleen. In Gulm also, abdominal lump, and in Udar Rog, abdominal diseases. Krimi, worm infestation, in Vrana, wound, and in Raktaj Vikar, the disease of blood. It is also used in hepatitis, urinary disorders, splenomegaly, gonorrhea, and leukorrhea. And it provides remedy for syphilis and gout also. And the bark is used in treating the skin disorder. And the root is used internally for leukorrhea. And the bark powder and its decoctions are used in enlarged spleen, anemia, intestinal worms, and in skin disease, eczema, then piles, and in anorexia also. Therapeutic uses in Yकृत Todar and Plihodar, that means in hepatomegaly and splenomegaly. Rohitak stem is kept in the decoction of haritaki for 7 days, and the filtrate is taken to alleviate jaundice, gulm, diabetes, splenomegaly, etc. This is given in Charak Chikitsasthan 13th chapter, and in Ashtang Hridaya also in Ashtang Hridaya Chikitsasthan 15th chapter. And Rohitaka Ghrit is used for hepatomegaly and splenomegaly. It is given in reference, we can get the reference in Charak Chikitsasthan 13th chapter 85 shlok. The next is Pradar, that means it is used in leukorrhea. The root of Rohitak paste is used in Pradar, according to the Charak Chikitsasthan 30 chapter. And in skin diseases, Kusht Roga, the decoction of Khadir, Aragvad, Arjun, Rohitak, Lodra, Putaj, etc. are used internally and externally, as well as externally, in the form of bath in treating the Kusht Roga. You can get the reference in Charak Chikitsasthan 7th chapter. And next in Prameha, the powder of Kampilak, Saptaparna, Shal, Vibhitak, Rohitak, etc. with honey in Kapha Pittaj Prameha. The useful part of Rohitak is bark and root, and the doses are in the form of powder 3 to 6 gram and in the form of decoction 50 to 100 ml. Now the formulations. Rohitaka Rist. Rohitaka Rist is used in the treatment of liver and spleen related disorders and digestive problem like stool, etc. Rohitaka Ghrit, Rohitakadya Churna, Rohitaka Loh. Rohitaka Loh is used mainly in the treatment of splenomegaly, liver disease, jaundice, hepatitis, cough, asthma and fever. Then Amlicure. Amlicure, the capsule proprietary of Ayurvedic medicine, useful in the management of hepatic disease. Liv 52 is also useful in liver disorder, and Hemoliv is also used in liver or spleen disorder. Substitution and adulteration. Amura Rohitak. Amura Rohitak, it belongs to the family Meriaceae. It is used as substitution or adulteration in the name of Rohitak. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home and study well.